Estate planning isn't just for the ultra wealthy. It's for anyone who has a family, a business, or even a bank account. And most people don't realize what's missing until it's too late. I'm Nick Sacchetti, investment advisor and financial planner at RBC Dominion Securities. I act as a personal CFO for my clients, helping them make smart decisions across every part of their financial life, including legacy and estate planning. When people think of estate planning, they usually picture a will, but real planning starts long before that. And it's about more than just money. It's about values, family dynamics, and control. A will is important, but it's not a complete plan. Real estate planning answers questions like, what happens if I lose capacity? Who makes decisions if I can't? Are my kids or partner financially prepared to step in? What's the tax impact of passing down wealth or a business? Most people don't have answers to those questions. That creates stress, delays, and sometimes real damage that could have been avoided. I've seen adult children left guessing at medical wishes, or family businesses unravel because no one knew what was supposed to happen next. Maybe you've got a will from 15 years ago. Maybe you named one child as executor, but never explained what that role actually involves. Estate planning isn't just paperwork, it's communication. And if you're a business owner, it's even more critical. Who takes over? How are shares transferred? What's the tax impact? These are not decisions you want to make under pressure. Here's a real-world example. A client passed away with a thriving business, but an outdated will. The shares were frozen, CRA stepped in, and it took almost 2 years for the family to regain control. It was emotional, expensive, and entirely preventable. A solid estate plan includes a current will, powers of attorney, an informed executor, and, if applicable, a clear succession plan that protects both tax efficiency and continuity. But it also means having conversations, making sure your family knows your wishes, setting them up for clarity, not conflict. If you've been meaning to get to this, or you're not sure what your current plan even says, reach out. As your personal CFO, I'll help you build a plan that protects your people, your values, and the future you want to leave behind.